When it comes to managing small business finances, two names often come up: Wave and Xero. But which is better for small business growth? That's exactly what we'll dive into today. Stick around until the end to find out which one I recommend for maximum growth potential, because, spoiler alert, the answer might not be what you expect. Let's start with Wave, one of the most popular free accounting solutions out there. Wave offers invoicing, bookkeeping, and even payroll, but what stands out the most is its free price tag. For small businesses just starting out or those with a limited budget, Wave can feel like a gift from the heavens. But here's the catch: while it's great for basic needs, as your business grows, you'll hit some limits. Wave doesn't have the same level of customization or advanced features you'd find in other solutions, and that's going to hinder you as you scale. There's also limited reporting, so if you're someone who thrives on detailed financial analysis, you might feel like something's missing. Next thing to consider is Xero, another heavy hitter in the accounting software world. Xero is packed with features, offering everything from bank reconciliation to expense tracking and even integration with over 800 third-party apps. It's a perfect solution for businesses looking for more flexibility and scalability. But the problem is, it's not the cheapest. Xero's pricing can get pretty steep as you scale, and while the feature set is solid, it can be overwhelming for beginners or small businesses that don't need the complexity. Xero's interface is clean, but it does require a bit of a learning curve. Now, the third thing we need to talk about is customer support. Wave is known for offering decent customer service, but it's mostly self-service and community-driven. If you want personalized support, you'll have to go through their paid options. Xero, on the other hand, does offer customer support as part of the package, but many users have complained about delays or being directed to FAQs instead of getting answers directly. So, it's a bit of a mixed bag when it comes to resolving issues quickly. The fourth thing to consider is the overall user experience. Wave's interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, ideal for beginners or anyone who wants something simple to set up. Xero's interface, while clean, can be intimidating for newcomers because of its feature-heavy layout. While Xero has tons of customization, it requires a bit more time to fully understand and utilize effectively. And let's not forget about integration capabilities. Xero takes this one with flying colors. The ability to integrate with over 800 third-party apps means it can work seamlessly with a wide range of software you might already use in your business. Wave is more limited here, especially when it comes to advanced integrations. If you need to connect your accounting software with your CRM, inventory system, or other business tools, Xero is likely the way to go. The final thing I want to mention is growth potential. Wave is fantastic for businesses that are just starting out and want to keep things simple, but once you scale up, you might find yourself wishing for more features. Xero's expansive set of tools makes it a great choice for small businesses that plan to grow quickly, but with the higher cost comes more responsibility in terms of learning the system and paying for those premium features as you scale. So, Wave versus Xero, which is better for small business growth? Both have their strengths, but here's the deal: after trying both myself, I've found a better alternative that can help your business grow more effectively without the limitations of Wave or the overwhelming complexity of Xero. If you want to get ahead with your business finances and try a solution that provides more value, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Take advantage of this today and watch your business grow.